I'm not usually one to do unboxing type of videos, but it's also not every day that I get to enjoy a stone directly from the source, a natural stone directly from the source. This is a box from Namikawa Heibei Shoten in Tokyo. And for those of you who are unaware, Namikawa is a sword polishing store which was founded in 1850 in Kyoto and moved to where they're still currently located in Tokyo in 1959. And most of the natural stones that I end up purchasing are actually won at auction. So it's a fairly uncommon treat to be able to enjoy something like this directly from the source. This is a Mizukihara Uchigamori. So they included a nice catalog. I'll be sure to look over that later. These are some sheets of tanned Yoshinogami paper for making finger stones. I also ordered a small piece of susadake, which is smoked bamboo, for making pins. So I'll just put the other items back in the box for now. Beautiful paper box. You can see it has a slight color difference between this layer and this layer. I wonder if there's a hardness difference between those layers as well. It'll be quite some time until I get down to that, though. Looks like this line is just the corner, so no problem. And sometimes these thinner lines are not so much of an issue on harder steel like I work. This line might be a little toxic down towards the bottom here. This is just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stone. And I'll take that inside and begin to shape it.